Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheryl. If you're new, welcome to the C Squad. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me again. Today we are back with another video. We are going to be setting up and customizing my new iPhone 13 Pro. Funny story, a few videos ago, I think it was my budget with me for March, I showed off a case that I got from Casetify, and to be honest, I really didn't think anyone was going to notice that I had a new phone, but one of you guys did, and in the comments you were not too happy with me that I didn't unbox it with you guys. I actually did film a YouTube short of me unboxing it, and I will link that down below. Since then, I have not touched it. I literally think I filmed that video in February. It is now May, and I still have not used that phone. Truth be told, I've just been really lazy to switch over to a new phone. I think some of you guys will understand, but you know, today's the day, so this will completely be first impressions. I've not done anything with this phone aside from take it out of the iPhone box, put a case on it, and get a screen guard. That is literally it. As my proof, I will show you that it still has this from when you buy it. If you like this type of content, then definitely check out my unboxing my MacBook Pro video, as well as my what's on my MacBook. Before we get into it, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out in the YouTube algorithm. And without further ado, let's get to it. So we're just gonna get into me setting it up. If you're only here for the customization, then you can skip ahead. I do have timestamps linked down below. So we are going to start. It is so bright and I can't change it, unfortunately. So we're gonna do the Face ID now. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this while I'm wearing makeup. This doesn't make any sense. Is it this hard to set up on my other phone? My face is in the frame. What do you want from me, bro? There we go.
One hour later.
So after centuries, we are finally transferred. I have popped in my SIM card. So here is my iPhone, and then this is my case from Casetify. I absolutely love cases from Casetify. They are so protective, so strong, and this one is actually made from recycled materials, so that's also really cool. I always link down below my Casetify cases, so you can check out the description box if you're interested. Everything has like transferred. This is what my home screen looks like. I have 3 pages. We have these cool widgets with my daily calendar and the monthly calendar. I customized all of these icons and a few more widgets for my podcast and YouTube channel. And my background I got on Pinterest, and this is what my lock screen looks like. It's been cute, it's been a vibe, but I definitely want to change it up. I want to make it a bit more matchy-matchy with my MacBook. I definitely want to remove some pages, like I just want to have maybe 2 pages. So we're going to start off with my home and lock screen. I am going to use Canva Pro to design it, just like I did in my what's on my MacBook Pro video. I actually do have a link in the description box for a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro. I highly recommend. So we are on Canva. We are gonna go over and just look at iOS home screen. To be honest, like I could just take one of these, but I had a really cool idea to maybe try and take my desktop wallpaper on my laptop and make it smaller for my iPhone screen. I don't know if it's gonna look that cute. If it doesn't, then we're gonna go back to Pinterest and pick something off of there. So I'm just gonna get a blank template. The main thing I want to keep is the content baby content. I'm just gonna start by copying this over and then kind of basing the whole screen off of that. Then I want to add a few of like the Polaroid pictures. I'll catch up with you guys when I've completed it. Hey guys, editing Cheryl here. So you're about to see me mess around with this so much, only for me to change the final result. I just found like this version to be way too chaotic, so I reduced the number of Polaroids, and you guys will see that in the next few clips. But while I'm here, I had a question of the day. Do you guys customize your phones no matter what phone you have? I remember when I had my Samsung, I used to love customizing the icons on that. So do you guys customize your phone home screens? And if you do, what's your color scheme? What's your vibe? What's your aesthetic? I would love to know. And I will leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. I'm a little bit embarrassed about how long it's taken me to do this. I'm not even really sure if I like it. I think I took it a little bit too far. This is my lock screen and then this is my home screen. I'm definitely going to change this. So now we're gonna work on the widgets. I'm going to go for the same color as the background of my miscellaneous on my MacBook, because we're gonna add a medium widget.
A few minutes later.
I wasn't recording! Are you serious? I wasn't recording this whole time. Let's start that again. So I'm gonna add a medium widget. It's gonna be a calendar, day and date. We are gonna customize the theme, tint color. We are actually going to make it the same tint color as my folder headings. Then for the background color, we're gonna make it the color of my miscellaneous folder, which is like a light cream. I think we're onto something. I think this is about to look really cute. I'm obsessed. Let's do the same thing to my little mini calendar. The vibes are about to be immaculate. The only issue I take is my calendar on Google. Let me actually change it. This is connected to my Google Calendar, which I have purple. Oh, there we go. Is this not everything I want in life? All I want is a clean and organized phone. Wait, I can do a custom color? Hold up, it matches. The next part is I'm gonna go into Canva, create custom icons. I actually still have my old icons saved on my Canva, so I'm just gonna duplicate this. Just kind of go through and literally just change the colors. I might change out some of the icons too, because when I first did this, I didn't have Canva Pro, so I didn't have access to a lot of the really cool graphics and stuff that they have. So I might change it up a little bit, but for the most part, keep it the same. So I'm actually gonna go on my phone into Canva and download these straight from there. So here we have my icons. I can't remember if this comes on your iPhone already or if you have to download it. You can add a shortcut. Let's just make one called Mail To. You add an action and you click scripting and open app. Then you select the app that you want to be opened. You go into details. Then you add to home screen. And here is where you can choose your photo. Here's our photo. It looks cute. We can change the icon name and we'll add, and there it is. So here's the fun part. Basically, I sit here for centuries and change all of these icons. That's gonna take a hot minute. Luckily for me, I've already created all of these shortcuts before, so I can just go in and just add new stuff. So this is what my first page looks like, and I'm literally just gonna keep on doing this until we finish. I do want to make 2 new widgets. Basically, I think I want to do like a quote. I had a fun little idea. Yesterday I was filming a video and I was doing my Mind and Money planner. Every month has like a different quote. Consistency pays more than talent ever will. And you know what? I need reminders of consistency, to be honest. It's been a struggle. I'm gonna head back to Canva. Hey guys, Editing Cheryl is back. So as you can see here, I played around with this so much and then I ended up changing it a few hours later. So I changed the font and also the color later, but you'll see that in the final screenshots. But I will leave you guys to the rest of the video. So we finished all the apps. I just realized I didn't show you guys how to add a new widget. So what you do is you'll hold on your icon, edit home screen, there's an add button, and that's where you can add your widget. To be honest, this has taken way longer than I thought it would, but you know what, I think it's really cool. That's pretty much everything. That is what's on my iPhone so far. Using the phone, I haven't had any issues. I am really dying to see the camera. That's like the one thing that everybody spoke about, because apparently this third little thing is supposed to do something. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of the quote on the new phone versus my iPhone XR. The lighting, it just adjusts so much better. There's so much clarity in it, which is a little bit scary. I don't need everybody seeing my pores. Okay, the camera is worth the money. Thank you guys so much for watching. I probably will in a few months time change it up as I always do. So definitely let me know in the comments down below if you would like updates of my home screen or any other iPhone, MacBook related videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to join the C Squad and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!